do this! Bring it on!
Is it a cleaning lady?
Excuse me.
Stop! I'm Mr. Fantastic!
Buddy, angry!
Oh!
What do you think? I'm silly putty? Oh, excuse me. Let's make noise!
You got a strange look.
Boring. I'm getting post-traumatic stress disorder. I'm afraid.
So, what do you want to do?
This is my home, not the Hurt Locker.
What about karma? Beep.
Hey, it's lonely in here.
Eventually, my box had been found. Well, hello.
KO! KO!
Patrol, a day in Adventure Bay. A special adventure where you get... Marshall. Which pup? Rise and shine. Wake up your pup by moving your fingers side to side.
Hi! Today is going to be a great day. I better get ready.
Pups have some tasks to do every day, just like you. Let's get started. Tap the blue picture of the dog bowl to feed. A healthy breakfast will help me feel ready for the day. Use your finger to drag the dog bowl from left to right to catch the falling pup treats. The bowl is full. Time for breakfast.
Ruff, ruff, delicious!
It's time to clean your pup's teeth. Tap the picture of the toothbrush. Tap the toothbrush. Swipe to brush around and around. Swipe to brush back and forth. Swipe to brush up and down. You did it! You scrubbed each and every tooth.
My teeth feel super clean.
Time to wash the pup's paws. Tap the blue picture of the pup. Let's rinse the pup's paws under the water. Tap the soap bottle to put soap on the pup's paws. Wow! Look at all those bubbles! Time to dry off! Tap the towel and drag it back and forth over the paws.
Good job! My paws look great!
Tap the hairbrush by the sink to begin. Tap and drag the brush over the pup's messy hair. Tap and drag the brush over the pup's messy hair. Tap and drag the brush over the pup's messy hair.
All brushed up and ready to go.
Before we get dressed, let's check the weather. Tap the door to open it and look outside. What a bright, sunny day! Tap the... This pup needs to get dressed for the day. Tap and drag a piece of... Swipe left or right to see all the clothes. Tap the hat, shirt, or boot to change the category of clothing. Tap the arrow.
I look cool and ready for a Ruff Ruff rescue.
Choose a slot to use for this game. Choose the icon you like best. Choose the icon you like. Choose the icon you like best. Choose a slot to use for this game. Peppa Pig's Sports Day. Choose an event from the sports day to get playing. Obstacle race. To win this race, you need to lightly choose a character for each person playing. Choose an event. Obstacle race. To win this race, you need to lightly tap the button to make your character jump over the obstacles. See how. Choose the characters for this game. Madame Gazelle is starting the race. Ready, steady, go! Unlucky. Watch out for puddles. Oh no! Oh dear, unlucky. We are nearly at the finishing post. What a great race! Danny Dog is in the lead. Well done. You've won a sticker. Choose an event from the sports day to long jump. Lightly press. Choose an event from ice cream maker. Let's make a delicious ice cream. After all, sugar, egg, cream, milk. Move the whisk to mix all the ingredients together. That's it, keep mixing. You have made the ice cream. Now choose two of your blueberry. Now add another flavour. Banana. Now move the spoon to mix it all together. That's it, keep mixing. What a lovely colour. Touch the ice cream machine to pour in the mixture. Only Madame Gazelle can turn on the ice cream maker. Madame Gazelle has turned on the ice cream maker for you. Choose a container for your ice cream. Touch the machine to pour the ice cream into the cone. Touch the sauce you want to add to your ice cream. Dark chocolate. Touch and drag your face. That looks delicious. Now let's add some. What a lovely ice cream. Well done. You've won a sticker. All finished and ready to eat. Choose an event.
loa, duy nhất 8/8 Shopee siêu sale free ship, gì cũng rẻ chỉ từ 1.9k thực chất.